Are you looking for a gym quality workout at home? Then check out the Marcy MD9010G Smith Cage Combo. Strength training not only builds lean and powerful muscles, it also increases your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories and lose unwanted fat. This unique setup delivers limitless strength training possibilities, giving you the advantage to choose between Smith machine and free weight style lifting or cable exercises. The MD9010G is equipped with a dual cable crossover system that allows you a wider range of exercises usually only found on commercial type gym equipment. The Smith type press bar features sealed linear bearings and bar catches for a smooth and secure feel. The unit also features a pec deck for isolated chest exercises. The multifunction bench is equipped with a total leg developer, a preacher curl pad with bicep handle, and a multi-position back pad for various pressing exercises. Extras include 6 weight plate storage posts to keep your weights organized and an array of training accessories. Don't limit yourself at home. Start training with Marcy's MD9010G and get the body you've always wanted. And it comes with Marcy's 2-year limited warranty.